The mitral valve helps regulate blood flow in the heart. Mitral valve disease occurs when that valve leaks, and the consequences can be serious.
Heart failure, lungs get congested, filled with fluid, you can't breathe. It requires hospitalization, sometimes repeated hospitalization. However, with successful mitral valve repair, patients return to a normal life expectancy, avoid things like heart failure, and can remain active into their later years.
Historically, the repair required doctors to open the chest, which meant a week-long hospital stay. But now surgeons like Dr. Daniel O'Hare can utilize the Vinci surgical robot to make a less invasive approach.
We make a small incision about 2 inches on the right side of the chest, and with a scope and some specialized instruments can stop the heart, open it up, repair the valve, close everything back up, and in general have the patients home within 2 days. All of it is done, again, without rib spreading or bone cutting or any of that stuff. So it's much more like having your appendix removed than it is having, what people would think about in traditional open heart surgery. It's really an incredible breakthrough, and we're excited to bring that to Lee Health.
Bringing the latest technology right here to Southwest Florida. You can learn more by visiting leehealth.org/heart. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.